So it is an honor to be standing with this car, and this is a very incredible opportunity. The owner of this F50 is a dear friend of ours, Dennis. About a year ago, we started going through the car for some mechanical repairs, clutch, etc. And at that time, he had always maintained the car. He had been an incredible caretaker of this car. But we decided that there were a lot of parts of the car that needed reconditioning. It's just age and time. So we decided to essentially do a preservation restoration. And what that essentially is, it's not a full restoration. We want to maintain its originality and we want to maintain a lot of its original parts. But there's so many components to an F50 or any vintage Italian car that can go bad over time. Now, what makes this car so special and why it's truly an honor for us to be working on it is it's not just any F50, it's chassis 001, the first production F50. Now, this car was actually made special for Jean Blaton, who was a very famous Ferrari racer and collector in the 60s and 70s. He was a Belgian driver that was known for his yellow cars or yellow stripes on his cars, and that's why this is the only F50 to leave the factory with a yellow stripe in honor of him. So very, very important car. And essentially, Dennis has allowed us, and it's not like we're always bringing people back into the shop to show our clients cars or cars we've sold, but Dennis has allowed us to document this process. Now, we're in the final stages. We're probably in the last 30, 45 days or so. And one of the things that we're doing now is we're actually have replaced all of the original F50 cloth material. Now, if you've ever seen an original F50, this cloth material sort of discolored and became old over time, and that was due to sunlight, and it was due to just the age. And then the foam actually was a petroleum-based, it was a fire-retardant foam, but that would also disintegrate as well. So this material, over the years, people replaced with, maybe a black Alcantara, which was not correct. And luckily, we used an incredible artisan. His name's Kenneth Michaels, and Kenneth spent years chasing the original provider of this material to Ferrari. Now, what's interesting is, after chasing Ferrari for a long time, him and his colleagues made a decision. They reached out to this old gentleman, and I would say, like many old Italian artisans, he didn't want to help them at first. What they discovered was he had tons and tons, bags and bags of the raw material for this cloth. What they decided to convince him to reproduce this material was they would purchase all the raw materials, they would reproduce, and they had to really show him the importance of preserving these cars. This is probably one of the last F50s you'll see for many, many years with this redone. It's truly remarkable. I mean, there is no difference from the original material. This is essentially the original material, and everything down to the stitching and all the details. So we're excited. This is the first step. We're finishing the interior, and now we're installing all of the seats and the AC vents, and the steering wheel will come next, and then next will be all of the mechanical.